I'm not what. Oh.
Nice.
Let me get my shoes.
Nah. What'd you say about my camera?
It's kind of embarrassing.
You don't like the camera.
I like the poses they're all giving you.
Closing my eyes. Oh, there's a chick.
What is she doing? She's got a scary face. Why are they like doing the chicken dance at you?
Get over here.
I got it.
You got it. Yeah, what's up?
Where's Brady?
What the?
He's at the dorm, but we could invite him here.
How do you slip out like that?
He asked if it's worth coming.
Yeah, tell him we're gonna watch Jackass.
Look at these boys just sacking each other. Just kicking their sacks. Hacky sacking. More soccer.
Hey, can you just go back so I can like see?
Hey, sorry. Gosh. Guys, look. Kellen's in.
Yeah, Kellen.
Hey, buddy. Yo, dab me up.
Hey, man.
What's up?
Look who's coming to watch Kellen's game.
I know. I saw him. I was like,
Oh, yeah, where's
Isn't that crazy though?
Oh, that's so awesome.
I know, but like Friday morning, Friday night, or Friday morning, Saturday.
Yeah, 2 days notice.
Like for the flight.
This is crazy. What are you doing? Give it to him.
Don't throw it, because that'll dance it. Seriously.
Oh, I just hate this thing.
You're a crackhead.
Broken truck.
Nothing. I don't have a belt and he's not naked.
Taco.
Oh, Taco Bell.
everyone.
Whoa.
Waha was.
I already feel like got the.
You guys see that video? It's on like TikTok or YouTube Reels or Instagram Reels, where it's like, the guy's like, hey, they're in an elevator, and he's like, hey, I want to touch you. And then the other guy's like, okay, dude.
What?
The
flip.
I love that video. Wait.
Nobody else. 91, 91, 91, 90. I think it's time of 91 now that I think about it.